You may have heard and read many of the miracles of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His miracles enumerate thousands. We have over 3,000 miracles that took place during his lifetime, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, after bi'tha, after his message. Within 23 years, over 3,000 stories are narrated, documented in our books. The best that is known of Jesus are a little bit over 30 miracles. I'm not here going to compare. Jesus is a great prophet, but I know that Americans believe in miracles. I know this. This is a fact. The Newsweek magazine established some time ago, 84% of Americans believe in miracles. 70 plus of Americans believe that miracles may happen to people of other faiths. This is the poll that was conducted by the Newsweek magazine. So no wonder we speak to Americans about miracles and the miracles of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If you believe in miracles, the miracles of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam are self-evident. Historically speaking, rationally speaking, they are self-proved. There is no need even to prove them. If you believe in miracles, then you must believe in the message of the final messengers, the seal of all prophets and messengers, our beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. There is no way to escape it. Say, I believe in miracles. And then the next step is that you are a Muslim. You must be a Muslim.
Oh, Imam of all messengers.